video will tell you explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and many category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, amenities and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests and by guests. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.